Alright guys, how you guys doing? This is about Peter Obi and a brother. On this video, I want you guys to understand that yesterday, all of us, we talk and we deliberated, we discussed what happened to Peter Obi's brother, how his company that have been in NAIJA for over 15 years was demolished without any court order. And a lot of people contributed on my live broadcast by saying, people like me and many others, saying that Peter Obi cannot continue to be quiet while these oppressors continue to oppress him deliberately. A lot of people responded by saying, because Peter Obi is a quiet person and the people Peter Obi is fighting for, they are also docile. Many of them, or if not all, the name Obidients, they are all also quiet. So at this moment, it now looks like Peter Obi is alone. Nobody is actually there to speak for him. As you can see, he cannot speak for himself. Either he don't want to go to jail, or this is how he was created. Peter Obi is a peaceful person and all that. 2027 is just around the corner. You cannot win election with this kind of peaceful character. You and I know that. It has to happen in two ways. Either Peter Obi is vibrant or his supporters are vibrant. That's it. Some of you will not accept this because anytime I speak like this, many of you don't want to accept it. Yes, 2027 is by 2 years away. APC, satanic APC have started campaigning already. Peter Obi cannot allow himself to continue to be oppressed and intimidated by decent people. Like what happened in 2023. You see, say Peter Obi won that election. I see him, you see him, and we were robbed in the broad daylight. Till today, Peter Obi could not do nothing. The only thing he did, he went to the court, and the court satanically supported the satanism, and it was properly ringed out. Today, you and I who supported Peter Obi, they beat us woto. Today, we are just on our own. Now we all are preparing our garments. We are ready to move majestically into 2027 without proper preparation. I know some of you will ask me, how do you know there's no proper preparation? Remember we said the same thing before 2023, and so you still ask us that question, and they beat us woto. Now I'm asking again, we are moving majestically to 2027 without proper visible preparation or no preparation. Let's assume Peter Obi decide to keep his own preparation secret, private, or within himself or within his team. What about the people, the Obidients, the name Obedient? Because many of us will fight ourselves all the time, which I don't like. Because if you see the people who go come fight me for this video, why they do so, you go still be some of the Obedients where you know say they say that Peter Obi that they support. Listen guys, if you are waiting for Peter Obi to blow whistle before you will get sense, know the right thing to do, you might probably wait forever. Yes, you will wait forever, waiting for Peter Obi to blow whistle. And all of the kind of whistle where go blow, now I mean they try to say whistle. Now you know as you want to digest the kind of whistle where they talk. This 2027, it might likely be like what happened in 2023. I don't want to be negative. I don't want to embrace any kind of negativism at this time. But what we are seeing, it shows already that 2027 will be ringed, probably. Yes, you might also say no, because I remember when I said something like that in 2023, many of you challenged me, many of you called into my live broadcast, told me to shish, said they can't dare. Then INEC, Mahmoud, satanic Mahmoud Yakubu, ring up for our head. Then many of you continued, say no, they can't swear put Tinubu in on the 29th of May. They can't dare. It happens. Then many of you went on, no, God cannot dare. They can't dare. All eyes on judiciary. All eyes on judiciary. Then they slap us woto. Now I'm telling you, with the way we all are docile, waiting for Peter Obi to blow whistle. I don't know the kind of whistle where you want to make it blow. 2027 might repeat itself. Might be a replica of 2023. God forbid. Make I join, God forbid them. Until we wake up now and speak truth to power and embrace ourselves to support this man, Peter Obi. Because the way we are allowing him to do it alone, my wish yesterday, which I will reiterate now, is that if Peter Obi can just resign, say no, the rule again, make me and you face what they face for Nigeria. Peter Obi is a billionaire. He and the family member, they are rich forever. May your day house, they enjoy billions. Make me and you face her, because many of us, we are not ready yet. What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affected you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.